Das war ein Befehl! Der Angriff Steiners war ein Befehl!
Welcome to zkPull. Contribute to open source and get rewarded instantly. This is our landing pages. First, we connect our wallet. Next, we go to the faucet to receive Mantle USD. This balance will be used to create a bounty. Once the faucet is completed, we move to Create Bounty. Here, we publish a new open source bounty by entering the issue title, description, reward amount, deadline, and the maximum number of contributors who can claim the reward. After that, we create the issue and release the bounty. Now, we open Explore Bounty to view all available bounties on the platform. From here, we select a bounty and open its details. In this section, developers submit the URL of their pull request. For this demo, the pull request has already been merged by the repository owner. After the pull request is merged, we generate a proof using the pull request URL. zkTLS then generates a cryptographic proof directly from the pull request data. Here, we can see the zkTLS validation results. It verifies whether the GitHub ID matches, the username is correct, and the pull request has been officially merged by the repository owner. If all checks are valid, the developer can immediately claim the reward, without waiting for the repository owner to manually release the funds. Before claiming the reward, we'll briefly show how AVS works. zkPull uses EigenLayer AVS, where operators are assigned to secure and validate transactions. These operators act as an additional trust layer to prevent fraud or data manipulation. To become an AVS operator, users stake Mantle USD. Registered operators can be viewed directly on the Mantle Explorer. Now that the operator is registered, we proceed to claim reward. Once the reward is claimed, we return to the AVS operator page. At this stage, AVS automatically executes its task. After a developer claims a reward, AVS revalidates the transaction using both AVS and zkTLS, ensuring the claim cannot be manipulated. Here, we can see the transaction validation result produced by AVS. If the submission is valid, AVS confirms the transaction and the developer receives the funds. If it is invalid, AVS returns a false validation along with a zk proof and the reward is not paid out. This ensures the system remains trustless and manipulation resistant. Finally, developers can view their activity and reward history on the profile page. With zkPull, problems like waiting for bounty payouts or repository owners ghosting contributors are eliminated. zkPull. Earn with your pull.